Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 9th, 2022. Let's talk about Cardano. Because isn't it a good question for someone to come and ask, are people still buying this particular type of cryptocurrency, ADA? Look at the chart. The market has been in a downtrend ever since last year of September 2021. At what point will people start to come in and really grab up this cryptocurrency? I'm going to speak about that today and try to give you all a heads up as to where I am seeing ADA go. So make sure you guys hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because you do not want to miss out on my price predictions, seeing where I'm looking for the market to be into the future. Now, I did a video for ADA, a follow-on video on February the 20th, 2022. So let me zoom in, because I was still looking at the price in ADA going down. So here it is. This is where February 20th was, to where I was still expecting the market to come through and hit our ultimate area of TP, which occurred on the 24th. So about 4 days into us creating that video, the market in ADA did in fact come down to 80 cents. Okay, I was telling you all then, so we should not be surprised, but that's 20.5% right there. So we originally did this price prediction on the 31st of January 2021, or 2022, excuse me, and we was playing in weakness then. So here it is, February the 24th. We got the ultimate TP out the market. That is done. That is over. So now let's talk. Next thing I wanted to show you is that we kind of anticipated the buyers into the market in ADA to approach that level, and you guys can see that since February the 24th, the market has literally sustained its price around 80 cents. That's fantastic, because it gives us another heads up as to where the market's going to flip from possibly one of continuing movement lower to one to where we might get a surprise movement higher for ADA. So let's talk about that real quick. So let me get rid of all of this. Congratulations to those who also anticipated that the price in ADA was going to go down, because it did. Now, we're still in a downtrend, right? We all can visually tell that the market price in ADA is still in a downtrend. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. I'm going to extend the line of us noticing price in ADA being in a downtrend. Now, the next thing that we need to do is continue to show forth where the buyers are going to approach the market. And so far, they are showing their hand right there around 75 cents. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and utilize this area as a point for us to see, to visualize people coming in and buying up ADA. That was the question of this video. Are they buying ADA? Because if they were, price would not be in such a sustained movement lower. There's no demand coming to the market in ADA as of this particular moment. So we need to wait and see where are the buyers, because the buyers came into the market in ADA all the way back here in February of last year. So here we are again, touching this price level in ADA February. The market showed itself then that they wanted to hold price in ADA. They're willing to buy ADA at that point in time. We need to see it again today. So keep that in mind as we continue to push forward in this video to see whether or not the buyers are going to approach the market in ADA. This is ADA on a 3-day time frame, right? So we have a day and 13 hours left on this current 3-day price bar. Now, generally, we know the overall weight of this market in ADA is a sell. The market is selling. We're in a downtrend, so we should not be massively bullish. We should not be speaking moon talk. We should not be speaking the market's going to explode higher as of this particular moment. We are in a totally different environment than what we were back in January of last year. Okay, so yes, we're seeing a small hint, small indication that the buyers are now trying to find some interest in ADA, but so far it's not that strong. This is ADA on the 5-day time frame, and this is the reason why we're still seeing some weakness here into the market in ADA, right? So let's not get complacent and think that this cryptocurrency is ready to shoot up, because it's not. Right there. Let me show you all ADA on the 3 weeks time frame, okay? Because this literally leads us into us noticing that the long-term purview of ADA is still weakness. This market is still weak. Nothing has changed. And we rarely even have a very strong area of support into the market in ADA. The strongest area of support was up here. This is where we really wanted to see the buyers sustain ADA's price and it didn't even happen. Yeah, $1. That's where the buyers should have really shown forth their fortitude, their aim to really keep ADA price up, and they couldn't even do that. And by us seeing price break that to the downside, we already know that we're losing footing for us to see the buyers in price go up. Okay. Now we could see price in ADA come back all the way up there to $1 level, but just to get rejected. So like if you're trying to play this as a scalping event, yeah, you could do that. It's about 16, almost 18% moving higher in price, and just take the opportunity, take the profit, and move on to the next play. This is not one of those long-term holds to where you can continue to expect some weakness. This is it on the monthly time frame. Look at this. Month on end, we're being seeing the price in ADA go down since September, October, November, December, January, February, March. Price continues to go down. Where are the buyers? Did you notice this? Let me show you this one. Okay, because the buyers may actually show up here from a monthly time frame. So yeah, we still got a ways to go. This is the monthly time frame here in ADA. You guys can see that we may actually come down to like 60, 65 cents. Are you ready for that? Yeah, 60 to 65 cents. Let's see what this looks like on the daily. Right there. Where these two lines cross, right here, is where we can literally see the buyers come into the market. Okay. So we could still see price in ADA come down. Now, let's see though, because the market currently is up 6%. Let's see what we got. Okay, because right now I'm not massively bullish. I'm looking at this on an hourly perspective, and this currency does look strong as of this particular moment. It's great. It's fine. You can play this on a scalping event. I mean, you can play this on a very short time frame and look for price to go up, what, 90 cents, that's 6%, 95 cents, definitely. This is around 12% moving higher, right? We can see that. We could get prepared for that. But this is not the opportunity to be massively bullish. Not at all. Okay. So let me show you what we have. If we were to play this to the upside, looking for the price to go up, it's about 18% for us to see the price in ADA hit $1, right? Now, the 5-day time frame is weak. And I'm going to play the weakness into the market in ADA, even though I don't come through on a daily basis and give you all the price forecast and price prediction in ADA. I need to play us in the direction that the current market is being revealed, and it is still weak. We haven't seen any changes come through into the market in ADA. Yes, I acknowledge the price movement is anticipated to go up in the short term, i.e. the hourly time frame. Yes, price is anticipated to go up. But when I look at this from a longer term perspective, the price is still weak, especially right here in ADA. So I really won't change my analysis of us seeing ADA go down until price breaks $1 whole. We got to see that happen before we actually anticipate some downward pressure to subside. Okay. So I'm going to move this up here to $1. And this is the area that I'm noticing the buyers next. This is where they need to appear in ADA. Okay. So it's still like another 18% movement to the downside that we have to go through. Now I'm prepared for the market to do this, to trade sideways for a couple of days. I'm prepared for that. We might even see the market in ADA do this. Right? We can see that too. But overall, from the long-term movement, we're still seeing ADA being in a downtrend. So I'm going to extend this up just a little bit. And this takes us into what, March, April time frame. Let's run this into April. And that's it. I'm done. I still see weakness on the chart. Yes, I am acknowledging that the price in ADA can go up initially from an hourly perspective. But like I told you, since we broke $1 to the downside, and we even saw price get rejected right here, right there. Price got rejected at $1. So there's still the confirmation that the weakness is here. Until we see price break back up above $1, we know what to expect. All right, I'm done. Hopefully you all understood what I was trying to say, that this current market environment in ADA is still showing its weakness. We won't change that until we see this price break outside of this descending line and even $1. All right, I'm done. It's your turn. Hit me up. Let me know, what do you all think the price in ADA is headed into the month of April? Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.